Hello everyone. So, quick disclaimer like always before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. Okay, happy new year everyone. And yeah, 2026 will be the best year of our life. I promise you that. So, for the new viewers here, the trades on green are the trades that I'm in a buy position. The trades in red, I'm in a sell position. So, let's start 2026 in the best way possible. I've also shared my trades earlier with the group. And yeah, if you want access, first link in the description. Hello Gori, good morning. How are you doing? So is the sound good? Great. So I've entered this morning the USDJPY. I've also entered, let me check, the EURUSD, and also let me quickly check the EURUSD. So we still have a trade open from last month, and yeah, I added the new one. Which day are you talking about? Because yeah, I missed a lot of days last week because of holidays. Sometimes markets were closed. Okay, so let's start and see. I think I had some ideas about gold earlier. So yeah, you can ask your questions here, no problem, and I will make sure the support answers all questions because I'm sure that Emily answers all questions. Is the music too loud or it's okay? Let me see if everything looks good. Okay. There is a strong push from gold after market opening because of the news about Venezuela. If you know, guys, so yeah, I think gold will continue going up because there is an uncertainty in the world, and whenever there is an uncertainty, people always jump to gold and other, yeah, and other stuff like silver and also BTC. If you can see, BTC is trending up since, yeah, since the first of the year. So hello Magdalena, happy new year. How are you doing? So for Forex, I can't see any opportunity at the moment. We already in, I believe so. Yeah, I've scanned Forex pairs multiple times since I woke up. I hope that the GBP CAD will finally touch the TP3 because the price action was so messy here. GBPUSD, I'm not in GBPUSD. Yeah, I believe, yeah, for all Forex pairs there is no opportunity, especially now. So we will go to gold and see if we can have an entry. If you can see here, markets opened with a gap, then yeah, the price kept trending up with higher highs and higher lows. If you can see now, I think the price will continue trending up. We just need to find a good entry. So we had this level right here. The price rejected this level again here. I was thinking about entering here. I'm still considering an entry here, but will need a confirmation. Let me quickly remove this. Hopefully, I hope this year will be our best year too, because yeah, I'm very positive about this year, to be honest. I believe we will, yeah, we'll be even more successful this year. So like I've said, waiting for an entry on gold. Yeah, after confirmation, maybe here, maybe here. We'll need to watch the price action, then decide. So open P&L still looks good, to be honest. We still have some trades open from last week and the week before. Yeah, no problem as long as we are profitable. And yeah, for everyone asking me if I swing or day trade or scalp, I do. Most of Forex pairs are a mix between day trading and swing. And for gold, I'm day trading. I've never had a trade on gold last more than a day. And yeah, if you know, swing is king, because yeah, you remove all the failure points when you learn how to swing trade. Guri says he is in the sell side at 44.21 here after this engulfing candle. Yeah, where is your stop loss? I believe it's above this candle right here and above this two highs, these two. Yeah, it's a nice trade, especially after this bearish engulfing exactly at the daily EMA. I just need to know where your stop loss and take profit is. I trail to 44.25. You were in at 44.21. Now the stop loss is at 25. Yeah, and TP is 44.10. 2.75 risk reward ratio. Maybe move the TP to this level exactly, because I believe price will revisit this level with this. Maybe move it to 44.11 here. I think it's better to risk 10 pips than never had a TP. I think this is the correct TP level. Yeah, since you are already in profits, no problem. You can keep holding this trade, but yeah, I suggest moving the TP a bit. Yeah. Or you can simply keep trailing the stop loss. You can now move the stop loss to the entry, I think. Yeah. And yeah, disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm just, this is only for educational purposes only. So the stop loss is at 24, you said, or 25. I think moving the stop loss to the entry now is the correct move, I believe. And yeah, maybe you can keep an open TP if you want and keep trailing the stop loss. That is also yeah, you can at least move it right here at this level, right here. So where is the price level? 18. But now I'm waiting for a buy opportunity which can come in multiple levels. I don't think this level is viable. So $18.21, that's 30 pips. So, and for everyone, please make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, and ask your questions on the chat box. 44.06, you have a buy limit. 06 right here. Why exactly 06? 06 right here. To be honest, I don't trade so pending orders. I'm always waiting for a confirmation to enter a trade. So yeah, but I know many people are doing great with pending orders. They only trade pending orders, and yeah, there is nothing right or wrong in trading. There is only consistency plus discipline. That's your choice, bro. You can either cancel it or keep it. But now for me, I'm waiting for a buy because I believe gold will still trend up because of the events that we have right now of the United States hitting Venezuela and and everything. I think gold will continue going up. So this is Guri trade. I'm waiting to have my trade. And yeah, like you know, so we had a support right here. We barely broke it on silver. Let's see. Yeah, I think silver will continue going up too. Trade like this will look great. I think gold is, let me see. Bro, how should I hold trades? Like most of the time I book my profits early, and when it's a loss I hold them too long. That's, yeah. Have you, before I answer your question, have you removed the TP? I think now your stop is at 18, I think. Let's see what the price will do here. Yeah, that's one of the main problem that people have in trading. They cut their winners short and they hold their losses. So always the losses are more than the winners. You need to either make a plan. If you can see my trading, I rarely, yeah, close a position in the middle. So I either wait for a stop loss hit or a TP hit. I don't care if it touches TP or stop loss. You should learn not to care at all. This is the right approach. You enter a trade, you enter your stop loss, you take profit, you hold it until it hit a side. So it does not come to your mind sometimes the trade is near TP3 and it comes to entry and hit entry. Yeah, it happens sometimes from time to time. So I hope you kept your TP open, and yeah, you can move the stop, I think, to, yeah, your stop is already at 18. Just move it, I think, at 12. It would be great. You're out. Okay, great. So let's take this trade out and see. I thought you removed your TP. Great. Let's see now if we can have a trade on gold, because yeah, we are at the last minute of the 5-minute candle. Let's see. Great. And on what did you base your entry? Because this was a nice trade, to be honest. So the best case scenario for me is the price to come to these levels right here, so we can have a good trade. And please don't, never regret that you kept your TP open, or you didn't you didn't hold the whole movement. Don't ever regret that, because the next time you enter a trade, you will remember that you need to keep holding, and sometimes yeah, it's the perfect time to go out from the trade. You keep holding and you end up making no money or losing. Still waiting. There is some reaction to the upside, but yeah, we need to wait, of course, and not FOMO. And please keep your questions coming to, yeah. So yeah, still waiting for a clear entry. Didn't happen yet. So this level is, yeah, like this, maybe a bit more, yeah. So let's wait and see if the gold react on this level, because that will be a great trade, to be honest. And yeah, if there are no questions, I will simply stay silent. Good entry will be at 4,400 or something like that, at this level right here. Have you added another position, Guri? I've seen that you wrote in. Are you in again? No, bro. I just asking that I saw in Instagram and TikTok everyone is saying that gold is all-time high. Soon it is going to crash. No, bro. Look, this is the weekly chart. Have you seen something looks like this gonna crash? Gold never crashed, I believe. This is the weekly chart. We had a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, then uptrend. Gold is trending up since 74. Especially with the world event that we have right now, I don't think gold will crash. At the opposite. Because when there are problems in the world, everyone runs to gold because it's a safe investment. Yeah, and please make sure to subscribe, everyone. 2.8 is my risk to reward ratio. So on every trade you see here 2.86, 2.86. Yeah, so these trades that I'm showing you are all trades I took in the past weeks and still open, and my premium members took them too. Now waiting for a trade on gold. I hope the price keeps going down so we have a better entry. I don't want the price to give me, for example, a confirmation candle right here and shoot up. I will enter, but I will be more comfortable entering down below here. So last minute of the 5-minute candle, like I'm always saying, it's the most important minute. Always the price makes the move on the last minute before a candle closes. But this candle right here is not enough, to be honest. I will rather wait for the price to go further down than have an entry. Never the momentum in gold on gold slows down. Gold is always have a strong momentum, strong volume, and strong volatility. I don't think gold is slowing down anytime soon. And yeah, a very good question, to be honest. I like these kind of questions. Keep them coming in. So for open P&L, we're still looking good. This one, I forgot to change the stop loss of the entry, to be honest. This one just took this trade this morning. This one too. This one just took this trade this morning. We are in profits. This one also, we are still in profit, so everything looks good. I want the GBP CAD to touch our TP3 finally. How many pips we have left? 40, 82. We have 42 pips left for the GBP CAD to touch. Yeah. Silver also looks good. Gold even better. This is the level that I'm talking about, this one. So yeah, this is a very long level, to be honest. Let me show you. Yeah, it goes back to these candles right here. So that's why I told you it will be great that gold will continue going down until this level we have right here to be able to have a better entry at 4,400. So so for all the GPY trades, it seems that we have that every GPY trade is doing a correction after this strong uptrend. Let's wait and see. The CAD doing the same thing. The CHF GPY also doing the same thing. Also EURUSD GBPJPY looks messy, especially here. And what about NZD/JPY? A correction too, but USDJPY, sorry, USDJPY seems to slow down. Maybe this will be a pullback. But now we are waiting for an entry on gold because for forex pairs we entered, we are in every opportunity possible. What about Nasdaq? Yeah, the price action doesn't look that great, to be honest. The price action on gold looks even prettier. So Yeah, a new candle. Like I told you, this will be my perfect entry at 4400. But if I see that the price is doing a pullback here, I will enter. So nothing yet on gold. So now we wait for this candle to be over than the side, because I can see a strong momentum, to be honest. And yeah, but like always, we wait for... Why the time is not moving? Sorry. We wait for this candle to close. If it closes like this, you know, so 1 minute left. $40. And always, everyone, always wait for the candle to be over. Never enter in the middle of a candle. So where is the entry? Is at 16, I believe. Let me see. 44.16. Give me a second. 44.19, 4.26, 44.36, and 44.09. So the entry is here. This is the TP and this is the SL. Let me get these levels. So at 19. So let me quickly update the thing. 09 and 19 on my MT4. Zero 09 and 26. 09 36. So where is the position? Is in here. Let's wait and see. 26. This is the TP tool, and this is the TP3 at 36. Have we touched the TP1? Let me see. Not yet. I think I will come up with my MT4 on the web browser. Let's wait. Are we live? Yeah. Let me get this one. If you can see the account, I think you can see it. Let me see. Yeah. It's the same account open. What the hell is this? We are in drawdown. Yeah, it's a violent move, to be honest. We have a chance of 80% that the price will touch the stop loss. But yeah, we say chill. Maybe we will catch another trade. Maybe this one will move in our favor. Because this was a violent move, to be honest. Didn't expect that at all. Let's see. This is the last minute. It's the most violent one. Yes, and we touch the stop loss. So let's see if we can come up with another entry. Yeah, it's very good that you see this, because yeah, you know, nothing is, yeah, you can expect anything while trading. It seems like people are still in holidays, to be honest. The chat is so dead. Yeah. It's time to log the fuck in. Yeah. Holidays are over. I know, I think the price will continue going up, to be honest. I just don't enter a trade like that. I always waiting for a confirmation. Let's see if we can get another entry on gold, a better one. I hope the price will continue going down so we can have a better entry. Seems gold is breaking at this point. It's slowing down, doesn't want to break below these points right here. Yeah, let's see. But now will not enter. We will wait for confirmation. You see here that everything lines up. Engulfing candle exactly at this key level. We entered right here and we got stopped out. Yeah, we entered right here. We got stopped out. So now we wait. Don't know why my trading view is lagging. seems like this EMA is acting like a dynamic resistance, if you can see. But I think the price will continue going down to this level right here. I will wait a bit. Maybe I will sell like this, target these levels, and have the stop loss above this wick right here. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. It seems like this EMA is acting like a dynamic resistance. So maybe I will sell it, and yeah, think it will continue going down. So 44.12, let me see. $44.12, $44.09, $44.02, and $43.92, $44.19. So the entry was at 12, I believe. So let's see. $12.09. Let me quickly add my levels. 09, 12, 19, 02. This is weird. 19 and 92. I think we touched the TP1. Let me see. Yeah. We have also some drawdown on the EURUSD for the gold. TP1 is hit. Let's move the stop loss to the entry quickly. So the SL is at entry. TP1 hit. And yeah, that happens so fast. So let me get, yeah, 12.09 was the TP1. The TP2 will be 02. And the TP3 will be 92. So now the stop loss is at entry. We are I'm now risk free. Let me get this. Yeah, let me remove, or simply no problem, I would keep it like this. This was a really good trade, to be honest. Yeah, if you can see, we are looking very good. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we missed the TP2. Let's wait. let's see. You see how gold has barely touched this level and jumped. This is very important level. That's why I was looking for a buy above this level. But yeah, I saw and I noticed that the price is respecting this structure right here. That's why I entered on this lower high. I believe it will continue doing lower highs and lower low. But now the stop loss is at entry, and if you can see here, let's wait for the price to act up. And we are at 14k open PNL. There is quite some volume on gold, to be honest. Let me quickly remove this line. Approximately 1 hour left for the New York session to start. So still looking good. Still looking good. We are approaching the TP2. We have 20 pips left. And like I was discussing earlier in the live stream, when I enter a trade, I don't react based, I don't close the trade in the middle of nowhere. I always wait for the TP hit, the stop loss hit, for the break even hit or something like that. And yeah, TP2 hit, great. Let me see. Yeah, TP2 hit. Now we still have the TP3 down below here. Let's see if we get a full TP. Although here we have a strong level right here. Let's see. So let's do like this and wait. Maybe we have another entry. It was a very good entry, to be honest. Yeah. We had the stop loss earlier right here, but now we are recovering. And I see there is so much volume in gold right now. So let's hope it gets to 92 so we can get the full TP. I believe maybe, but there is an opportunity for the price to go below at these EMAs. So, and like I told you, I've just traded the structure, the lower highs, the lower low, the lower highs, and now I think it's going to lower low. But yeah, since we have here an important key level, yeah, let's wait. The stop loss is already at entry. Let's continue monitoring. There is some slowing down at this level right here, to be honest, but yeah. Let's see. What is silver doing? Great entry was on silver too. Oil, BTC. Maybe it will touch this EMA right here and continue going down. Maybe it will touch our, yeah, our stop loss, which is at entry. But now this looks like an engulfing candle. The last minute is here of the 5-minute candle. Let's see. There is some volume, to be honest. But yeah, like I always say, never trust a candle before it ends. This is an engulfing candle directly above this level right here. So if we go and see the big picture, so yeah, this is an important level. We have an engulfing 5-minute candle above, right above this level. I will wait and see if we can go into another trade, buy one. Because it seems logical, to be honest, but price still needs to push down a bit, so a reversal doesn't happen only on one candle. So now, yeah, we were stopped out. Great, let's enter another trade. At 4410, I believe, yeah, or 11. Let me see. Let's do 11 and 14, 21, 31 and 04. So yeah, so let me quickly remove this and see if we can get a good, yeah, 14. So the TP1, 21 is the TP2, and 31 is the TP3. Let's see. Gold is so volatile today. I think this will be my last trade on gold today. So again, we entered based on this engulfing candle right above this key level that we have right here since weeks. And let's see if we go straight to TP or straight to the stop loss. It seems like the price is doing the opposite of what I'm expecting. Let's wait and see. Based on this candle, I will know what to do. The TP1 is at 14. We always move the stop loss to the entry after TP1. Great. So stop loss to the entry, of course, at 12 or at 11. 11. And yeah, stop losses to break even. And now my trade is risk-free. Great. So let's take a look on other trades that we have. USDJPY still looks good. USDJPY, yeah, we'll keep holding this one. USDCAD also, I will keep holding this one. EURUSD is in a bit of drawdown. EuroCAD, I think the TP1 is hit. Let me see my account. Yes. So I shared this trade this morning and also shared it in my premium. EuroCAD. So I will move the stops. The entry was at 60.78. 60.78 and 60.78. USD, nothing. USDJPY still at entry. Yeah, let's see if we touch the break-even point for gold or not yet. Don't believe so. Let me see my account. Oh, I think we touched this entry. Let me see. Yes, great. So yeah, and now we are out from gold. So yeah, make sure to join tomorrow's live stream. I will sign off now, and yeah, still trade on the premium group. Yeah, if you want access, it's in the first link in the description. I share with my premium group every trade I take. Thank you so much for being live with me. Make sure to like and subscribe for more live stream. Make sure to put your notifications bell on. And yeah, let's meet tomorrow for another live